So before starting the video, a small disclaimer for all of you. So I am not asking you to follow my strategy. So this analysis, so it is totally up to you and it is totally based upon your preparation. So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Malayala. So if you have seen my previous videos, I have divided the whole chapters of mathematics into three zones: green zone, orange zone and red zone. So according to, based on the previous year analysis of JEE Mains, so I have made that video. So in this video, I am going to divide the whole chapters of physics into three parts. So green zone, orange zone, red zone. So same as the previous video. So you can expect the same type of video for chemistry also. So soon I will be releasing that video also. So stay tuned to my channel. So if you have any queries regarding JEE Mains or anything, so you can join in the Telegram group. There is a link in the description. Go join there. I will be there. I will be always ready to help you out there. So without taking much time, let's get into the video. JEE Mains 2021 strategy by Sai Malayala, and I am from NIT Warangal, Biotechnology second year. So JEE Mains 2021 physics question distribution in January and September 2020. So last year January and September 2 sessions question distribution will be shown here. So chapter name, January we have 6 sessions and September we have 10 sessions. So total 16 sessions are there in the last year JEE Mains, that is 2020. So this year they have given 4 attempts, so February, March, April and May. So that is different. So previously only 2 sessions were there, so that analysis is shown here. So do watch this. So electrostatics 13 in January session, 21 in September session, total 34 questions from electrostatics and capacitors. So kinetic theory of gases, KDG and thermodynamics 13, 21 and 34. Modern physics 12, 21 and 33. Magnetism 10, 18, 38. Current electricity 12, 13, 25. And rotational mechanics 6, 17, 23. Center of mass and collisions 8, 12, 20. Units and dimensions and basic mathematics 6, 14 and 20. So laws of motion 8, 10, 18. Gravitation 5, 10, 15. 15 out of 16 sessions. So electromagnetic waves 5, 10, 15. 15 questions in 16 sessions. Then semiconductors and circuits, so 6, 8 and total 14. So 14 questions have raised in 16 sessions. And fluid mechanics 5 questions in January, 9 questions in September. So total 14 questions in 16 sessions. Next comes wave optics 4 in 6 sessions of January, 9 in 10 sessions of September. So total 13 in 16 sessions. Kinematics 4, 9, 13. So kinematic include vector and all that things. So relative motion. When I am dividing these chapters into green, red and orange zone, I will be dividing them in detail. So it will become easy to you. So here kinematics includes all of them, like relative motion, vectors and all. So then electromagnetic induction 4, 8, 12. Thermal expansion and calorimeter 2, 9, 11. So geometrical optics and instruments 8, 0, 8. So no question is asked in September session from geometrical optics and instruments. So sound waves 2, 6, 8. Alternating currents 2, 6, 8. Work power energy 6, 1, 7. Mechanical properties of matter 4, 3, 7. Wave on a string 4, 3, 7. So simple harmonic motion 2, 4 and 6. Communication system 0 and 1. So only one question was asked in 10 sessions of September. So total out of 16 sessions, only one question from communication systems. So JEE Mains 2021 physics most important chapters. So here I am going to divide these 3 chapters into green, orange and red zone. So based on previous analysis, so I have divided like that. So based on last 11 years, so for last 10 years analysis, there is already a video uploaded in my channel. So for 2020 preparation, so I will leave the link in the I tab and also the link in the description. Please go and watch it before watching this video. So you will be getting an idea. So where I have given the probability of getting a question from each and every chapter is also mentioned there. So from last 10 years, the probability and number of questions asked from each and every topic is mentioned there. Please go and watch that video. Very important. And green zone is most asked questions. So modern physics, current electricity, KDG and TDM, which is kinetic theory of gases and thermodynamics, electrostatics, electromagnetism, rotational mechanics, geometrical optics and instruments, electromagnetic waves, fluid mechanics, mechanical properties of matter, semiconductors, electromagnetic induction. So if you are able to cover all the chapters in the green zone, so you can expect around 13 to 14 questions from the green zone chapters. So surely in this, no, getting the question is probability of getting question from these chapters is more than 1. Okay, so I can say that. So if you miss any of these chapters from the green zone chapters, so you will be losing 4 marks for sure. So I am not responsible if no question arises from these chapters, because I am not going to set the paper. This is just an analysis from last 11 years. That's it. So next, important average asked questions. So this is orange zone. So center of mass, gravitation, thermal expansion, calorimeter, sound waves, rectilinear motion and vectors, work power energy, simple harmonic motion, capacitors and wave optics. Okay, then not much asked, so let's ask. So the probability of getting questions from this orange zone chapters will be lying between 0.75 to 1. Okay, next, not much asked, less asked. So wave on a string. So wave on a string, projectile motion, units and dimensions, alternating currents, circular motion, heat transfer, friction, relative motion, laws of motion. You can expect applications of these chapters in these orange and green zone chapters. So what I suggest you is, don't miss a single chapter from this green and orange zone chapters. So which will be so out of 25 questions, you can expect around 15 plus questions from the green and orange zone questions. So based on last 11-year analysis. So try to cover each and every topic from green and orange zone. So it will be really helpful to you. For more such videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular notifications. So if you can see, there is a lot of content regarding JEE Mains on my channel. So please share with all your classmates and relatives or friends who are aspirants for JEE. So a very good content will be given to them. And also during the JOS and CSAV counseling, I am going to post very good informative videos, and I will be always ready to help you all. If you find this as a time worthy video, please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.